What's up, TruGold family? This is Hunter with TruGold and Tyler.
What's up, guys?
Tapping in with y'all with another video. So today we wanted to educate y'all. And what's a good topic to educate? You know, we're on this wonderful road trip to make a nice little custom delivery.
Yep.
And remember, if your custom order meets certain expectations and requirements, we will deliver that custom to you. You just have to meet these particular requirements.
Yep.
There's no exception. Now, so what can we educate on today, Tyler?
You know, I think we should start with the 4 C's. I think that'd be a great topic to start off with.
Heard that. Well, we're going to go with the 4 C's of diamonds.
Yep.
Very, very popular discussion in the jewelry industry, meaning if you're a jeweler and you don't know what's up with the 4 C's of diamonds, you're honestly not a jeweler. So the 4 C's are cut, color, clarity, and carat weight. So with cut, it's very simple. What shape is the diamond? You know, is it a round diamond? Is it emerald cut, baguette, Portuguese, pixel cut, you know, what have you? Is it pear, oval, teardrop, princess, marquee, you know, whatever. So different cuts that are, you know, rare and harder to achieve, more facets on them, you know, meaning more lights of refraction, you know, bouncing through and makes it prettier, can make it more expensive. So if you take a look at my pinky ring, there's multiple different cuts on here, and if it'll focus,
let's see if I can, maybe if I turn that light on too.
Well, it's about 4 different cuts of diamonds on top of this in a little mosaic pattern: emeralds, ovals, teardrop, and rounds. So that is cut. Next would be clarity. So essentially, clarity is you know, the quality of the diamond, how much inclusions are in them, you know, how pure essentially the diamond is. And so with clarity, I stick with VS1 and up. With you know, with what we sell, what we make, you know, we strictly only sell VS1 and higher. I don't care for SI diamonds and below, so it's just not what I want to put on my customers. I treat our customers like family because y'all are family. We want y'all to be stunting. We want y'all to be flashing. Y'all could check out this watch. Y'all could have this watch as well. Link in bio. Hit us up on the website. You could have pinky rings just like this. Beautiful.
Solid gold rings too. That's one. Here's another one. It's a gold nugget ring.
So we also have pendants, chains, everything you might need to get started on your next little jewelry, you know, little hunch, right?
So what are the other 2 C's? We've done cut, we've done clarity. What's the other ones?
So now it is color. So next up is essentially, you know, how much color is in there versus how much colorless the diamond is. Meaning essentially, you know, if you were to drop this diamond in a glass of water, does it disappear, right? So with color, we prefer, it starts at D and goes down the alphabet, D, E, F, G, so on and so forth. And so D, E, F is your colorless diamonds. And then starting at G, very, 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 you know, faint color, right? And so for example, these right here, and color is incredibly important. Color can shoot up the price because this ring is 5.5 carats. This ring is 3.2 carats. This is a $3,000 retail ring. This is a $10,000 retail ring, all because of the color difference. So the color with this, FG, color with this, K color. So makes a huge difference, and you can tell that the diamonds flash differently with the color. They're all beautiful, all natural all the way, but color makes a difference. So what's next up, Tyler?
I think it's gonna be carats, but I thought those were good for your eyes.
Really? No. So with this is carat weight. Essentially, how much does it weigh?
Ah, okay.
So, you know, the bigger the rock, the bigger the ticket. Very simple.
I think there's one more thing we might have missed. So we talked about VS1. What exactly is that? That's more on the clarity side, but is there better than VS1?
Yes, there is. Great point. So what we always sell is VS1 and higher. And what is higher than VS1, it goes VS1, VVS2, VVS1, and flawless. So those are the different grades. Flawless is going to be your most expensive. So if you have a D flawless diamond that's 3 carats, expect to spend a very, very, very pretty penny. So the you know, the clear and the, you know, less color a diamond has, all while being bigger at the same time, increases its value. So that's why, for example, this ring costs more because the bigger pointers that are on the pinky ring. Also, notice how there's bigger pointers on the watch dial. If these bigger pointers were all the way across the entire band, that would definitely add a couple more $1,000 to the ticket price to this watch.
Yeah.
So always educate yourself. Know whenever people are trying to jip you, always be observant, otherwise you'll get taken advantage of. And remember, we want to educate you here at TruGold so you can let TruGold be your forever jeweler. Thank you for letting us educate y'all. We'll tap in with another one.
Peace, guys.